Hello everyone, my name is R.K. Nair. I'm the CEO of Dovetail Furniture Private Limited. Dovetail is basically a design and engineering furniture manufacturing company founded by a group of designers from National Institute of Design in Ahmedabad. This is our 40th year of inception. We have two setups, one in Bangalore and one in Hyderabad. We have been growing over the years. We have a large setup in Bangalore and obviously heavily inclined towards design development and engineering aspects of the product development and services that are being given to the clients that we are catering to.
We are using the SolidWorks software here past 1 year. So actually we are facing the issues before making the drawing. Only we are using the 2D drafting only. So when we change to this SolidWorks, so we have a nice experience because when we are facing issues in the 2D drafting, like when we are doing any sheet metal works and all, we are having challenges to make the drafting work. So now we have a option when we are making the 3D. So it's help us to make drafting easily.
Software and the CAD services and drawings and designs, and a lot of this is dependent on what softwares that we use. So we have migrated or in the process of migrating from the previous legacy softwares to new softwares like SolidWorks, and it has been greatly beneficial for the entire teams. This actually reflects on the detailing that we do for our clients in terms of structures, designs, ergonomics, etc. We have a relationship with Conceptia for about now 1.5, 2 years, and every year we are buying more licenses, which actually shows that how the software is actually helping us in giving the right portfolios and right product solutions to our client. Overall, I think the experience has been great for us. And we believe that it's going to help us in growing further in bringing out world-class solutions for the clients that we cater to, for the markets that we cater to. Thank you.